Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a rich and comforting hot chocolate cake with a warm chocolate pudding soak. Soft, moist, and perfect for chocolate lovers. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, mix half cup curd, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well until smooth. Now add 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Cocoa powder gives deep chocolate flavor without heaviness. Hot chocolate cakes are known for their molten-like moisture. Mix gently. Pour in half cup milk. And make a smooth batter. Grease oil in a 7-inch glass mold. And pour the batter. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 25 to 30 minutes on medium-low heat. For the hot chocolate pudding, place a pan on heat, add 3 tablespoons corn flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 1 cup milk. Mix well. Turn on the heat. Stir pudding continuously to prevent sticking. And keep stirring until the mixture thickens. Prick the hot cake with a fork. Pricking the cake helps absorb pudding evenly. Pour the hot chocolate pudding over the cake. Pour the pudding while both cake and pudding are warm. Top with chocolate chips. And keep aside for 30 minutes to soak. This cake tastes even better as it rests. Cocoa contains antioxidants that improve mood. Homemade dessert avoid artificial additives. Controlled sugar make it better than store-bought cakes. Milk adds calcium and protein. Your hot chocolate cake is rich, moist, and full of chocolate goodness. Slice it warm and enjoy every bite. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more indulgent dessert.